All right, y'all, let's talk about getting a free iPhone. Okay, so I came across this information because y'all know I'm always researching something, okay? I'm always looking up something. Unfortunately, I don't qualify for this program, but a family member did, so I passed on the information and I was able to help them get a free iPhone 6S. So let's just jump right into who qualifies. So you have to have Medi-Aid, Medi-Cal, Food Stamp, SNAP, SSI, Federal Public Housing Assistance, or Section 8, or WIC. And it's based on your income. So yeah. So that's all of that. So yeah, here's the iPhone. Because we're looking. I wanted to get him the iPhone 7. That's what we were looking for. We were looking at the iPhone 7, but it was sold out. And I think the iPhone 6S was sold out as well. Plus. So we end up getting the 6S regular. But and y'all, they had Androids on there. I remember seeing some Samsungs. That's all I can remember for the Androids. But also, y'all, they had where they gave you $100 credit. Say if you wanted to get like a tablet. And I remember seeing like they had an iPhone mini for $125. They would give you the $100 credit, and then you would have to pay the difference. I believe that's what I saw. I believe I understood that correctly. Y'all can go on there, if you qualify, go on there and you can see. And that's one thing I liked as well. So, and y'all, it's completely free. Like, your service is completely free. Free unlimited high speed data, talk, and text. You get a free smartphone, free shipping at their cost. There is no monthly bills, no credit checks, no registration fees, and no contracts. It is totally free if you qualify. Say if you have a family member, that they have the one of those government assistant programs. Hey, spread the knowledge. It is not harming you at all. That's what I said. I was like, okay, I don't qualify for this, but I'm going to pass this to this person. And it worked. It is unlimited minutes, unlimited picture, messaging, and texting. It's free delivery. I mean, yes, it's an older iPhone, but hey, baby, it's an iPhone. And if you don't even want the iPhone, they have so many more options to choose from. I've held the phone. The phone looks in good condition. It doesn't look bad at all. One thing I like, they put the SIM card in for you. It's like, so you don't really have to do any, like, the phone is already set up for you. That's one thing I like. Already set up for you. You will have to go in there, of course, like if you want to put a password on the phone, you can do that. But I like how it's already like they done set it up for you, and they give you so many tools. Like they give you like the little tools how to put it in. They give you the manual. They give you these little cartridge. So yeah, I like it. From what I was able to see, I like it. So I just want to share this knowledge with you guys. Check out Air Talk Wireless. This is not a sponsored video. I am just doing my research, and I just stumbled across this company, and I was able to pass this information on. And my family member, they like it so far. So with that being said, you guys, I send you guys so much love, so much light. Until next time. You know what? I'm probably gonna insert a clip of how it came, like the box and everything, and the phone and everything. So I got y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna be doing a unboxing. Shout out to Big Brody for allowing us to unbox his phone. Okay, y'all. So it comes in a box like this. I cannot flip it over because his personal information is on the back. So it comes like this, you guys. Comes with this little thingy. I'm not sure what this was for. You remember what this was for? No. Okay, so here's the phone, you guys. Oh, you have a pass? Yeah, so y'all, look, here's the phone. Looks like a normal iPhone. It came with, I guess it's the manual. Okay, how to use it, or the SIM card or whatnot. Okay. Manual. Came with the little SIM card, little thingy. And these are here. And that's it, y'all. Free iPhone, y'all. Free iPhone. Can't beat it. Cannot beat it. Alright, you guys. So with that, I send you guys so much love, so much light. Until next time, you guys, take care. I'm sorry, you guys. We forgot to mention the charger. This is actually a good charger, y'all. I used it on my 12 Pro, and it charges very well. So, hey, that's the charger. Sorry, y'all.